Pese ebisi bio. Me wo fa ase afremo. Woni mo akasa. Nhihya wa ya amamo no. Wo ma yes free NDC no mpe kasa. Muntu wo mfo. Na wo nkoso da mmara ode ama wo no wo nyo. Echina.
The Mamponghene has spoken. And I want to play the tape for you in case you have not yet heard it. Let's hear what the Mamponghene has said about the whole brouhaha going on in Mampong, where some of our friends who are in the Zongo, we are told, have made certain statements on camera, which statement did not go down well with majority of us. I wasn't happy when I heard it because I won't be happy if that happened in Volta. And the truth is that that cannot happen even in Volta. It cannot. No matter how you wish, it cannot happen in Volta. And I'm even sure that cannot even happen in the North. And you cannot go to the North as an Asante and go and make such a statement. They will not forgive you. You might even lose your head. When you come to Volta Radio, you might lose your soul. And if you are not like it, you will lose your spirit attached to it. So when I heard that was done in Ashanti region, I wasn't happy. So let's hear what the Mamponghene has said, and then I'll give my quick comment.
And yes, sir. You be preaching on. Yes, what I'm saying. 2 minutes crooning in a dia the kutai. Kasa a home fast one say. Kasa. Let me be a WhatsApp or not. I didn't marry Untiman to us. I tell him what Naman be a bass. Eh, what you are some more can will be kind. Safety as at the fork or manzungo, as at the fork in your way. You did carve a class out of me. Some say that be means you will be a cassa. Now, yeah, Asante my muhadi. Or cassa. I have one and so much in the Nana watching. Machini Majuma Miye University Emma Michini Baby any wa boss or min call Yaham Kwana Aba Winya Sarakin Zonko Winya we wa Honya Marahina wa Honya we wa Hoya Nina di Woman Mamponghene na wowe Mamponghene na wowe Bato no me no but already one more bato me na panino bato no one mo fa na wo aka no asem nyina kire me call ya me what for me bam say try me am calling na so kane me friend papa say we are up track onya isi me friend papa yes when you need chair okasa na nyini in age 86 fe na me call 87 minsha as you want me friend papa awu kuda atwa muko me tro me nsafre me ma ifira dwira okasa mwati ni nyina na esiye me no on betra ha conference room a me do hero me ensa idi nkomo me di buo ma wo mo nyina mo ya Mamponfo sani amade she ya himfo te ha ya Mamponfo ya pese mu na date na nipa kakra bi ya pese ya kakaka yetiri bom wo mo ye de be no ma ya Mamponghene se ja o ma ni nyina bo ma zonko ni to de be no ma ya ma wo.
That is Mamponghene. I'm told that the Mampon stool is called a silver stool, right? Good. So that is the Mamponghene speaking, and I think it is a call in the right direction. So the latest is that the Mamponghene has given an ultimatum of up to noon tomorrow. Okay, up to 12 o'clock, God willing, tomorrow, to those individuals who were seen in the video making those statements, and all the people who dared to say so apparently, even after that video that we saw, that the people were making all those comments, say omo mpinima santini biembedi MC or sakrum no so ayemampono. Apparently after that, they actually went back to the Zongo and then declared no fly zone. Right, they declared no fly zone in the Zongo. So they were like, they don't want to see any anti person in the Zongo. Oh, Mamponghene. So all these things were reported to the chief, the Mamponghene, and so visibly he wasn't so pleased with it, and he has asked them to organize a press conference tomorrow, Monday, before 12 o'clock, before noon, and then apologize and then withdraw all those statements they have made. A failure to do so, he said he was going to show them where power lies. And we are reliably informed that the people who made those statements have regretted. They have regretted. They've seen how our friends in the our Asante friends have said that this time around we're not going to condone with nonsense any longer, and so they have learned their lesson. So we are reliably informed that, God willing, tomorrow they will be organizing a press conference. They wouldn't want to push further with sorry to say, about the Nkosasem that has been going on. And I think this is a lesson. It's a lesson to all of us. It's a lesson to all of us. We know, growing up, we heard a lot of things about different tribes. Okay. But you see, that is the beauty of education. That's why if you're a young person and you are listening to me, maybe you are in a senior high school or you are in a university first degree, always aspire to go higher in education. Because as you go higher, you meet people from different backgrounds, various backgrounds, and you are given the opportunity to get to know people for yourself, not to know them per people's experiences. Right? As we grow, as you go to different institutions, as you travel around Ghana or all over the world, you get to meet people and get to know them for yourself, not per people's reports, people's experiences. Most of the time when issues happen, okay, people will only tell you the side of the story that makes them the hero, not the villain. Most people, when issues happen, they will tell you what makes them the hero, why they were right, and why the other person was wrong. So mostly, one thing I've learned so far is that I don't rely on people's reports. So when you tell me something about so and so, that this person is that, the other person is that, I want to get to know the person for myself and get to decide for myself if that person is this way or that way. And so far, in my experience, I am yet to meet an Akan that I'll say the person has been has been unfriendly towards me. I am yet to. And I believe that as the days also go by, my Akan friends also are getting to know, say, not all the things they've heard about LS are true. So that is how we are. See, we are new generations coming up, a new set of ideas, new direction for us to follow. Okay? Yes. I wanted to say something, but I won't say this one. Okay. So as time is passing, we are all getting to know one another more, and what happened in Mampon shouldn't have happened. but unfortunately it has happened. It is sometimes it's good certain things happen so that we all learn from it. So it's good it happened. Now we'll plead with our friends in the Ashanti region that once the people come out to apologize, as the forerunner, the landlord has said, the Mamponghene has said, he says you are all his children, whether you are in the Zongo or you are all children of that or the land, and so that it should end there. Maybe when our friends come, our guests come, they will come and tell us what they also think about it, and then we will move. I think